This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
What's this? What's happening?
Dear Susie, make yourself comfortable and let me introduce you a perfect winter fairy tale. Hot chocolate by the fireplace, the best ski slopes, and magnificent scenery.
Sammy, I can't ski. And I don't want to go into the cold. Brr.
Well then, how do you like the idea of going to a peaceful resort for meditation practices? Namaste.
Yeah, we'll give up everything distractive like the internet and look for the inner harmony.
Whoa, wait! That's kinda too extreme. Maybe I'll just go by the ocean and sunbathe on the beach.
Sammy, we don't have time to lie under the palm trees right now. We have a lot of work.
But I need new landscapes for inspiration!
Well, then we don't have to go that far to do that.
Huh? Really?
Na 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 na. Here we go. And done.
Hi guys, today Susie tricked me into painting again.
I didn't trick you, Sammy. You wanted a picturesque landscape for your inspiration, and I'm gonna give you one in about 10 minutes. How cool is that?
No offense, but so far I see nothing cool about your painting. Anyway, here are all the colors you asked for. Should I get a palette?
Not this time, Sammy. We're going to mix and blend the paints right on the canvas. Oh, I almost forgot to explain you about the masking tape, guys. It'll help you to make a perfect horizon line on your landscape.
And it also will make everything look neat.
Just make a few blobs like this. It's kind of a preparation stage.
Since you're painting this for me, Susie, let me add just a little bit of blue right here. Oh yeah, I think it already looks great.
Not so fast, mister. I need this as well. Here we go. Great. Now, guys, we'll just simply take a paintbrush soaked in water and do this.
So now you're just gonna spread the paint in whatever manner you like?
Not exactly. We still need to be accurate here. Like, if this is gonna be the sky, we should blend the colors making horizontal strokes.
That's not a hard task for a great painter. Let me show you how it's done, Susan. Watch me.
Guys, while the great master is working back there, take a second to hit the subscribe button.
We there are plenty of painting tutorials on this great channel. I'm done with the painting, by the way.
Wow! You've even added a few vertical strokes to make this look like water. Let's turn to the trees now. With a smaller brush, we'll start smudging our beautiful paint blobs. Here we go. Simple and fun.
I don't get it. We won't be able to see the tree trunks this way.
Oh, Sammy, would you stop doubting me already? Don't you trust me?
Oh, Susie, don't be mad. I just can't wait to see the result.
It's okay. Now we'll smudge the next color this way so that it overlaps the previous one.
Here, so you won't be mad at me.
Thank you, Sammy, but what is it?
It's a speed-up candy, Susie.
Oh, Sammy. But wait, I think I already feel something. Whoa! Ew, oh my, hail tibby-dabba, that speed-up effect doesn't last too long. Guys, I'm gonna get another paintbrush. Don't go anywhere.
Oh, what's taking her so long? We shouldn't let this
Don't tickle.
Susie, stop that, it tickles.
For our next step, we're gonna use this fan brush to add some more colors and shades.
Today we're gonna use all of the paintbrushes we have.
You don't say, Sammy.
And, like a true detective, I'm gonna go find your next artistic tool, Miss Susan. Whoa, whoopsie. Sorry, folks, today's not your day.
Oh, that playful little slime. What's wrong, Sammy? Did you find something?
This thing found me. It fell from the top shelf and hit me right on my head.
Oh, you poor thing. But actually, this is exactly what I need. Try not to apply too much paint on this spatula, guys, and work in smooth movements.
This is outrageous, Susan! You didn't even feel sorry for me!
What are you saying? Of course I feel sorry for you. How could I not? I've got an idea. Do you want to paint a bit? We can easily arrange that, you know. What do you say, huh?
Do I want to paint? Oh boy, need you ask?
Here.
Oh, thanks. Tap, 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 tap. As my granny used to say, small steps can lead to big changes.
Wow, that's wise. By the way, I've never met your granny. What is she like?
Well, she thinks she's an expert at practically everything, and she likes to cook and reprimand me all the time. So basically, she and you have a lot in common.
Hey, I'm not like that.
I'm just kidding, Sue.
Well, Sammy, what do you say? Does this seem to be inspiring?
That landscape still doesn't look real to me, you know.
That's because we are not done yet. This time we'll use a bigger spatula and some black paint. Whoosh! And that's how it's done, guys.
Time for my favorite part, right?
Yep. Are you ready? Let's do it.
Woohoo! Oh yeah, that crunchy sound. Give a thumbs up if you liked it too, guys.
Oh, believe me, you're gonna hear that sound many times today. Guys, for the next step, we kinda need to mirror the colors of our trees right here. You don't have to be precise, because we're trying to create the water jittering effect.
In the meantime, take a second to subscribe to our channel, people.
And closer to the horizon line, your strokes should go this way. Do you get it, Sammy?
Yeah. Wait, I have one question. Why don't you paint closer to the trees?
Oh, this is gonna be one more trick for you to write down. Hop, gotcha! Now that the top part of our picture has dried out, we need to protect it with the masking tape. And then proceed. I know that art can be messy, but I prefer painting this way.
Oh, shiver me cheddar, Susie, you have so many insights to share. What? More black paint? You promised me an inspiring landscape, not a depressing one.
Oh, Sammy, don't you know that patience is a virtue? Trust me, you're gonna love it. Now, I want you to set your inner artist free. Here, take this.
That I can do. Easy peasy.
You're a natural, my friend. We won't need this anymore. Hop.
Oh, Susie, but I wanted to rip off that tape.
Oh, I'm sorry. How about I let you do the finishing touch?
Oh, that sounds cool.
In the meantime, I'm gonna set my inner artist free. Watch closely, everyone. Check this out, guys. We kinda layer in the paint, adding volume to the picture.
Susie, how much longer? I'm about to fall asleep. Why?
I'm sorry, Sammy. I just need to add a few teeny tiny details. Here we go. By the way, if you're gonna sleep, then who's gonna pull up the rest of the masking tape?
I'm here. I'm awake. Just say when.
We're almost there, Sammy. Give me 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Yippee! It's slime time! Da-da-da-da-da-da! Guys, let's check out our landscape in all its glory!
Well, Sammy, was this landscape worth waiting for?
Oh, yeah! It gave me so many ideas for our future crafts!
Oh.
We shouldn't waste time
That's what I was afraid of. Did you like our painting today, guys? Then give us a thumbs up.
Oh, enough of that chit-chat already. We should draw a winter landscape for the beach.
Don't forget to tell your friends about this channel and subscribe. Bye-bye!
See y'all!
Oh, Your Majesty, thank goodness you're here. War has broken out in your kingdom.
War?
Yes, right here in our royal court.
I am not going to be your friend anymore after what you said.
What I said? Ha! That's a joke. Fine. I don't want to be friends with a one-horned blabbermouth anyway.
Who are you calling a blabbermouth?
My nerves can't take much more of this.
Maybe what you need is a cuddle!
This is no time for a cuddle. I'm much too distressed.
I wonder what started all this. There's one way to find out. Who does that furball think he is? Lady Fiona, what's going on with you two? I may never, ever get over the lies that milk-slurping musketeer wrote about me.
Lies? About you?
Yes, and he published them in the Magic-y Gazette.
Everybody in Magic-y should know that Lady Fiona sucks her hoof like a baby.
Lady Fiona, sucking your hoof is nothing to be ashamed of.
But I don't suck my hoof. There must be some explanation. Sir Kitty Cat wouldn't tell lies about anyone.
Let's go talk to him.
Not me. I'm done with that cat.
To think of all the times I've saved that glorified mule from trouble. Some friend she is.
We just spoke to Lady Fiona, and she said...
I know exactly what she said.
Everybody in Magic-y should know that Sir Kitty Cat still sleeps with his baby blanket.
Can you believe it? How can I be a fearsome knight if everyone thinks I sleep with a baby blanket?
Since when does Magic-y have its own newspaper?
It's brand new. A newspaper for the people, by the people, which means anyone can write an article for it.
Yeah, anyone like a dishonest unicorn?
Sir Kitty Cat, did you write an article about Lady Fiona for the Gazette?
Of course not. I don't even like newspapers.
Then if you didn't say that about me and I didn't say that about you, who's saying these things? I think we need to take a trip to the Gazette to figure out what is going on. Please, Mr. Editor, it's very important. We have to find out who sent in those articles to your newspaper.
What do you mean you can't tell us?
Here's another article.
Professional secret?
But your newspaper is not telling the truth about our friends, and we want to stop this.
So basically the news can say anything they want, whether it's true or not.
Oh, Sir Kitty Cat and Fiona are at war again.
Sir Lazy Cat sleeps with a baby bottle?
Lady Fiona is a donkey with a fake horn? Guys, stop! Nobody's calling anyone a donkey or lazy. Someone else is writing these stories about you both.
It's too bad the newspaper can't tell us who it is.
That's it! Truman, you are so smart!
I am?
Hello, Your Highness.
Ed, could you make us a truth potion that would make this newspaper tell us who is making up these stories?
A truth potion? That's easy. But I can't give you one for that reason.
Why not?
Newspapers are allowed to keep secrets. That's how they work.
But they're telling lies!
The only way to stop a lie is to prove the truth without a potion. Now, if you don't mind, I have a magic cake in the oven.
What are we going to do now, huh? Look!
Hey!
Everybody knows Ed the Wizard is a fake who can't make potions, magic, or even a cup of tea.
How dare that dragon call me a fake? I have half a mind to turn him into a toadstool.
But that's what we've been trying to tell you. It wasn't Scorch. Someone else is telling lies, and I think I know who. I should have known the twins were involved when we saw those pandas at the Gazette.
But we're going to need proof that it was them.
I have just the thing. I call it my mini wizard. We'll have him peek inside the windows for us and record what he sees. Go to it, my little friend. we should be able to see what he's seeing here on the ball.
It's working!
Might need to warm up a bit first.
Oh, here's a good one. Everyone in Magic Key should know that Countess Elizabeth is actually a skunk disguised as a dog. That's why she smells so bad. Signed, Truman. Oh, Panda! Get this new article over to the Gazette right away. We have another reputation to ruin. I think we have all the proof we need. Countess Elizabeth's mother was a skunk, which is why she smells so bad. Countess Elizabeth! Stay calm.
I have had just about enough of you two. You're impolite, arrogant, and incredibly rude, and I demand you put an end to this nonsense.
I couldn't have said it better myself. Oh, look, it's Princess Billy and her misfit toys. I'm afraid you're under arrest for using a newspaper to spread lies. What proof do you have?
Plenty. And for your information, I do not sleep with a baby blanket.
Oh, well, it was fun while it lasted.
Good job, Billy. I'm happy to see the truth being told, but even happier to get back to my magic cake. Hey, come along if you want a slice.
Cool.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. You two better tell Dad the truth. We don't have to do anything we don't want to. But you lied. You can't prove it. For the fun of seeing you get in trouble for no reason, of course.
Ha! Billy must have accidentally hit the record button.
You have to call Daddy right now and tell him you lied, or else I'm playing this for him. No, please! Oh, we'll call him. You tell him. I don't want to tell him. You're the one who made up the story in the first place. Well, you went along with it. Only because you said I had to. No, you should talk to him. No, you! No, you!